guys, welcome back. Today we're oh sorry. Alright, so today we're learning about time telling animation. It's super easy and this is developed by my dad. Well, developed is correct. Tell me in the comments. And sometimes we have to tell time from these clocks, so it's going to be very hard for you if you don't understand the numbers and understand the lines. Today I'm showing you about the lines, then the time, also other things, and how to say in words. Like sometimes people say it's 12, it's 2:15, like that, right? But you can also say like this. Whatever, I'll just show you later. You can say like this. It's 12 o'clock. Like, oh yeah, that's normal. So let's say it's 5 past 12. You can say 12:05, but you can also say it's 12 o'clock. Alright, let's start with our inventor. So 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Alright, so now here is...
It's 12 o'clock.
Yep, it's 12 o'clock. Great. Now, let's go to the next one.
It's 5 past 12.
It's 5 past 12. It's 5 past 12. Now,
It's 10 past 12.
it's 10 past 12. It's 10 past 12.
It's quarter past 12.
It's quarter past 12. It's quarter past 12.
It's 20 past 12.
It's 20 past 12. It's 20 past 12.
It's 25 past 12.
It's 25 past 12. It's 25 past 12. Well, not there. There.
It's half past 12.
It's 10 past 12. It's 10 past 12.
It's 25 to 1.
It's 25 to 1. It's 25 to 1.
It's 20 to 1.
It's 20 to 1. It's 20 to 1.
It's quarter to 1.
It's quarter to 1. It's quarter to 1. Wait, there.
It's 10 to 1.
It's 10 to 1. It's 10 to 1.
It's 5 to 1.
It's 5 to 1. It's 5 to 1. Now let's start from here, and it's gonna say
It's 1 o'clock.
it's 1 o'clock. Alright, now you're gonna say after the ab, okay? I don't know how to say it, but just say after the voice, okay? 3, 2, 1, start.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock. Great. Now,
It's 5 past 1.
great. Alright, so if you need a little time, you can have. If you're having more problems with it, just try your best, and if you want, you can rewatch the video. Okay? Let's go to the next one now.
It's 10 past 1.
It's 10 past 1. Great.
It's quarter past 1.
Great.
It's 20 past 1.
You're so good.
It's 25 past 1.
Whoa.
It's half past 1.
Great.
It's 25 to 2.
Great.
It's 20 to 2.
You're so good at this.
It's quarter to 2.
Great. Wait just a minute. It sometimes mess up with the clicking the mouse. So let's go to the next one now.
It's 10 to 2.
You're so good at this.
It's 5 to 2.
Alright, now
It's 2 o'clock.
Yep, it's 2 o'clock. It's actually 2 o'clock, I won't lie. So now let me show you about these little lines. So this is 1 minute, this is 2 minutes, this is 3 minutes. Wait, this is 4 minutes in this middle, and this is 5 minutes. So as you can see, this is minutes in the middle, and this is seconds in the last. So it's like this. If you want to have seconds, you have to try your best to put the seconds. Seconds go really fast, like this, just like that. And minutes go quite faster than the hour, like this, like that. And hours go really slow. Alright, it's super easy to understand, right? Yep. And understanding is the best part of all. Sorry for my brother, like he's watching phone, that's why he went outside, whatever. Don't care, don't. Let's just start with this. Alright, that was super cool. And you did your best. And if you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.